In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a profit and loss report in QuickBooks. This process is designed to be straightforward and efficient, ensuring you can easily track your business's financial performance. Let's dive right in and explore how you can navigate QuickBooks to get this report quickly and accurately. First, we need to get started by heading over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button, which you'll find conveniently located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking here will take you to the login page where you can access your QuickBooks account. After you land on the login page, you'll be presented with different options for accessing QuickBooks. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting QuickBooks Online, which is a popular choice for many users due to its accessibility and range of features. QuickBooks Online allows you to manage your financial data from virtually anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Next, it's time to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll input your username and password, ensuring they're entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your QuickBooks dashboard. If there's any chance you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, QuickBooks offers password recovery options to help you regain access swiftly. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Reports tab. You can find this option on the main dashboard, usually located on the left-hand side. The Reports tab is your gateway to a multitude of financial insights and reports that QuickBooks can generate for your business. Once inside the Reports tab, you'll notice a search bar that's conveniently placed to help you find specific reports. Here, you'll want to type in Profit and Loss. This is the report that will provide you with a comprehensive view of your income, expenses, and overall profitability. Upon searching, QuickBooks will quickly generate the Profit and Loss report for you. This report is customizable, allowing you to adjust the dates and parameters to suit your specific needs. Whether you're looking at a specific quarter, month, or year, QuickBooks gives you the flexibility to analyze your business's financial health in detail. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently generate a profit and loss report in QuickBooks, equipping yourself with valuable data to make informed business decisions. Thank you for tuning in, and don't hesitate to explore further features within QuickBooks that can help streamline your financial management processes. If you enjoyed this guide or found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.